Hey guys, Derek here with The Closet Doctor, and I wanted to add some feedback. So JB posted a great improvement. I want to say that one was kind of unique in that he had an Allen wrench in a fitting that used two different sizes, and he was able to grind that down and make it into one. Excellent improvement. Smart thing. If you actually send that to the company, I bet you they would offer that as part of their kit. But the other subject was switching tools out. And that's one that frustrates me with some of my installers. And let me show you what we've got and how we do it here in the shop. So this is a workstation that we've got. These parts flow off the end of the edge bander onto this table that goes up and down. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up right here so I'm not bending over and filming. And what we have to do is we have to install this bracket. I'm doing this one-handed, left-handed, into this slot using these two screws right here. And it's a thin panel, and so we don't want to split it out, so we pre-drill the hole. So we've got a jig that we use for that, and then at the workstation we've got two tools. So the first one is the drill, and so that's going to go in. We're going to go in and drill in those two slots, and then we're going to switch out, remove the jig. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed. We're going to put the bracket in, and then we're gonna switch tools and put it in with the screwdriver in. I've got guys that, and these are cheap tools. Dave talked about that. Oh, you got to buy two tools, you got to buy two batteries, you got a charger and all that. Yes, but is what I see with guys a lot of times, if they're doing this, and then is where it ends up going is in the pocket, and then they put this one in. Like I said, I'm doing it one hand, and then when it's time to switch, it's like, you know, they're down here looking in their pocket and they're pulling out. That's what happens with my installers. Yeah. So, and we use so my second part of that is we switched from this type of drill. I've found that in our application, this is crappy for us. We do use it for certain ones that we have, you know, that have this type of bit on it. But everything else we use, this is a Ryobi Impact. This is $59 at Home Depot. When they quit working, you go and buy another one for $59. And these all have the 1/4 inch. Let's see if I can get that pop out right now. They all have the 1/4 inch end on it, and so it's just a quick change chuck. And so we buy, when we're using drill bits, we buy drill bits that have got the quick change on it. Boom, in and out. Even like we've got on our improvement cart, we've got a socket set up that we can utilize this for, and it works as a regular drill, and then when it gets to really tough places it becomes an impact. But we use those throughout the shop, and anywhere that we need to, like in this situation here, we need a drill bit and a screwdriver. We've got two of those, and then we have them in the tool holder, so it's right there where we need it to be, along with the jig, and everything else is right there. And so we reduce that struggle. And my suggestion, anybody that has something that they need two of these, that you know, a drill and a bolt, if they can't put it into one tool, that they have two drivers to utilize on that, and that way you eliminate that waste of switching. I want to add to that, I've had my guys tell me, oh, I'm just as fast having one tool and switching back and forth and as I am as if I had two. And I won't argue that with them. I don't believe so, but in my experience, I think I am. But what it does is it reduces the struggle of having to add all of that extra motion and stuff like that, when you can just reach over, grab what you need to do, put it back, grab the other one in our installation environment. Way easier, less mental drag. Even if it doesn't save any time, it saves a whole lot of having to thinking and reaching in pockets and stuff like that.